To the Oli Dairy?
Yeah.
I forget how to get there.
Follow me.
What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Twinkie coming at you with another motovlog. And today I passed my license test. Woo! Right now I am on my way up to Oli Dairy with Mr. ThatRedWJ. Why did he put his four-ways on? Huh?
They closed at 7 at 6:50. We didn't realize it. That's why I figured I'd stop and let you know before we got to the bar.
Okay.
You want to eat somewhere else?
I don't know. You got somewhere else in mind?
We could go to Exeter Diner, Michael's Diner. We could go to any restaurant, really.
That works.
We could go to Red Robin. You like Red Robin?
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah. Where do you want to eat? You're paying, so it doesn't.
Somewhere cheap? Who's that?
You want to go to Red Robin? Red Robin.
Red Robin it is.
You know how to get to Red Robin?
Yeah. Alright, so slight change of plans. We're going to Red Robin. Oh, it's such a beautiful evening. Oh, there's another rider. I think he's like the fourth one I saw today, only. Howdy, howdy. Poor old Sheets is gone now. Nice turn signal, bro. Wells Fargo. I can't believe they're still in business. After all that hype and drama about everything that went down, yeah, I'm surprised. Yeah, man. Well, that was a really good dinner, and I overdid it with dessert. But whatever, it was a celebratory dessert. About 8 o'clock. I'm legal to ride at night now. Holy cow, Chick-fil-A is still busy for 8 o'clock at night. Oh man. Now that I'm good for riding at night, I gotta get the underglow on her. I'm gonna go with a green. Kinda like this, but a little more green and a little less light green. A little darker but still neon, you know. Can't wait for that. It's definitely a lot chillier riding at night. Good thing I got this jacket on. It may be mesh, but it's still something. So I wasn't really expecting to do a motovlog today. That's why my intro kind of came from a part that looked like it was later on in the day, because it did. But long story short, overall it was a very good day. I got some things done that I needed to, hung out with some people that I needed to, and made a difference. So that pretty much wraps up today's video, even though it's technically tonight now. I'm sorry, it's gonna take a little while till this gets old, this whole being able to ride at night thing now. But like I said, that pretty much wraps it up. So if you enjoyed today's content, if you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to leave a like, comment if you want, and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon notification button. This way you're notified whenever I upload a video. Thanks for tuning in if you've watched this far, and if you haven't checked out some of the other videos, do me a favor and go do that. Otherwise, until next time, peace.